Hey, Brownie. What you eating? Hey, everyone. This is Justin and Julie, Two Stall Garage. Finally getting to the D50 tonight. Finally. Everything's kind of blocked off, so we're going to have to go around this tree line all the way back. Edges of the field.
All right, let's do this.
Yep. We have a flat tire.
Oh no. Then what?
We gotta fix it.
Oh, you're gonna ride in the bucket style.
Am I?
I don't know. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, I'll ride in the bucket.
Okay.
Will you flatten it out for me? You gotta be very careful not to hurt me though. Holy cats, gotta go slow. Yep, you know which way you're going?
Yeah.
You're gonna want to go all the way around the tree line. So you gotta drive down the gravel road. Yes. Not in the ditch, drive down on the gravel. It's very uncomfortable sitting in the bucket. It is not comfortable. Nope, it's not like a couch. You got it hammered? Are you giving it the go juice? Look at that sunshine. I'm gonna have to get out once we go down in the ditch. I'm gonna get out once we go down towards the ditch. Thank you. Uh-oh. Ready? Take it into four-wheel drive here. Oh, good. So the D50's in the barn. We don't have a good gate to use. So we're gonna have to swing around. We're gonna go on the side of the cornfield all the way to the granary. I don't know if you can see the doors open. It is. Mama's driving. There's no fence here to hit. Just don't run over big, huge trees. You're gonna run over big, huge tree branches. You're gonna have to back up and go around.
Oh, okay. Where do I go?
Where they're not the tree branches. Good job. You're doing good. Look at how much fuel we have. That's not good. But the trees fell down from the storm. Well, we made it. We took a... Boy, it was a long way around. It was not the best. We have basically no diesel left in there. Maybe just a tiny bit. We've arrived at the D50. So now we're going to probably have to take this fence down. It's not really up too well anyways. But, I mean, how does a guy pull it out? Look at all this stuff. I suppose we could pull it out right there. We're just going to have to take that fence down. Get it to the shop. Well, we're back for day 2. We did not have a successful run last night. We'll try it again. We're going to try to enter in through this spot where the storm left the horse trailer. It knocked down the fence. So we're going to take down the fence the rest of the way.
Yep.
Yep. Probably need like a big bolt cutter. You want me to try it out?
Yeah. You got her.
One down.
2
13
to
more.
go.
Definitely not. Maybe 13 minus.
We're gonna have lots of firewood.
Yeah. Do it. Ay, caramba. One more to do. And we're gonna do it right here. Can open it up and check it out on the inside. It's pristine. Outside, not so much.
Smells a little musty, but that's to be expected.
Oops, sorry. Lost my concentration there.
Does this have a neutral?
Yeah, between 3 and 4.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if it's in neutral right now though or not.
It's looking okay.
It's like one of the birds had one bird targeted it. Ay! Good job.
Oh, wasn't it supposed to do that?
Yeah, you have to. What do you do?
Oh, man.
I just roll it down. You can't be roasted in there. Oh, sorry.
Ugh. That's gross.
Must be one bird somewhere in here that hits it every once in a while.
Yuck. Well, as long as there's no mice through it, that's the main thing.
No mice. You have a rear view mirror. Side view.
Yeah. That's good.
Has racing stripes.
Mirror is like, it feels so cheesy, but it's awesome. And this is just like tin roof.
Here's a cover underneath your seat. We'll have to look at putting that up maybe.
Was it a headliner?
Mm-hmm.
So how do I tell you if I'm gonna run into something?
You won't, because I will make sure that doesn't happen.
Okay.
Now, if it were the other way around, I'd probably have to yell and scream and flail my hands out the window.
Okay. You know, this should have been Merle's barn all along.
This?
Yeah, check out these sweet stalls.
Still can be. It's not being used for anything.
Might as well be. If it doesn't leak, that was the big thing. Because then we could store hay in it too.
What do you mean?
Because we don't want the hay to get leaked on.
We got to get that hot rod Chevy out of the back.
Yeah, another day.
Yeah, it'll be good. What do you have?
So, this is automobile certificate holder. Oh, it's for the sun visor. Okay. And this shows that it came from Ontario, California, Pomona Valley Dodge. I wonder if they're still open. And then we've got a maintenance record book. Let's see if they did take care of it.
When was the last maintenance on there?
1982.
Oh, sweet. Should be good.
Started in 77.
It's 77. This is a 79.
What?
This is 79.
That's weird. I don't know. Maybe it was like one of the first ones they had out or something.
What's the serial number on this bad boy?
I don't know.
This thing is sweet. Like Porsche has their emblems and B&W has theirs, but here's the Dodge D50. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's ride. Keep it between the ditches. As we go out, we're gonna swing around. We're gonna follow the same path basically that you took to get here, okay?
Wait, I got more to show them. Okay, this is a dial your mileage for gallons used. Tells you your miles per gallon.
What are we getting? Never seen one of those.
And this must be 1983. And this was so that they could pull it behind a camper, right?
Yep, and we still got that. It's going back on, I think.
Oh yeah, look at this one. It was like Grandpa and Grandma's touring car.
Lost forever.
Huh.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Now there's another maintenance book. And this one says 2879 and it had 635 miles. I don't know, maybe the other one was their camper or something. That's
Ooh,
strange.
could have been. This is a D50 Sport. I like it.
Let's get out of here, it's hot.
Yep. Smells like stinkweed. This stuff. Doesn't go up the nostrils and treat you very good. You're in neutral, so you should be good. Just watch out for the magma, okay?
There's nothing under the wheels?
Affirmative.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Copy that. Did you unlock it? You gotta turn the key on.
Yep, I got it.
Drove over, you silly goose.
I'm sorry.
It's not your fault. Okay, here we go. Try number 2. Okay, hold up. We're doing good. Just gotta get the welder out of the way. Hold up. Yep. Coming. Alright, that's good.
Pull this post out too.
What's that?
Pull that post out.
Good question. As you can see, this is definitely a barn find. It's been in here for a while. I think we're going to turn the wheel straight. And then I'll push it backwards. If I have to pull it with the tractor, I will. Whew, it's one of the cooler days, but it's still kind of hot.
Oh, baby. It was right next to that post.
Right next to the post, yeah. Didn't get it though.
Well, it was a tight corner.
Yep.
Is that push from the front?
I think we can pull. Yep. Yeesh. Boy, it looks like the Chief is somewhere out in the yard. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How about 5? 5, 6, 6. All right, we're gonna do it again. You ready? You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Keep pulling.
Keep coming.
It's not coming far enough. The weed smell back here is yucky. 1, 2, 3. Let's go on 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're gonna try it from here. All right, I'll let you crank it and I'll hook you up again.
All right.
I don't know, it's gonna be a tight one.
How's that?
Excellent. Looks like you'll make it.
There's an old generator out here.
What?
There's like an old generator out here.
What do you mean?
Over here by the fence.
Oh, powers our dreams. Love you. Good luck. Get that thing washed. Are you ready?
What?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Roll tide. Whoop. Yeehaw! Oh yeah, you're good. Keep it cranked. Keep it cranked. Coming. Holy day. All right, we're doing good, man. Hey, I got a quick question.
Yeah.
Are you in neutral?
Yeah.
Right on. All right. Roll out. Crank it. You can put it in first. Oy vey.
Yeah, time to power wash this sucker off.
Yep. Last license in 2018, so going on about 4 years, almost 5. 4 years in the granary, almost 5 now. How was it back there with all the weeds?
Ugh,
Yuck.
it's like a cloud of dust. Cloud of foam, actually. Just gonna take some pictures of it for before and after.
Yeah, sounds good. Just to give you a look on the inside. Very, very clean on the inside. Amazingly enough. This crack never used to be there from the sitting it happened. Unfortunately, is what it is. Thankfully it made it out without any damage.
I'm excited to get it washed up.
All original. Yep, me too. I'll disconnect it and, hey Chief. And then we can push it in after. Oh, we'll push it up to the garage probably.
Okay.
Did you turn the garage lights on?
No.
Oh, must have left them on.
I back out the Taurus.
Yeah, if you want to. Alright, there we go. Should be good.
Alright. How's that?
Good.
Should I get the back window?
Yeah.
Just like that, right?
Has to snap all the way up though. There you go.
Alright.
Between 4 and 5 years in the barn. Look at this. Holy mackerel. There's like a nest up in there. Yeah. Oy vey. Guess we might have to do a little scrubbing.
It's like a true test of how this power washer works.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, what was the hitch for on this side? Or ball?
That was for a Citizen Band radio, a CB radio.
Really?
And it whipped from that part all the way up to the driver's, or to the passenger side.
Oh, really?
Yep. It wasn't on there when we got the truck. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. What do you think?
Looks pretty good.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Still got some garbage in the back, but we're going to put it in the garage and work out the oil pressure issue, the no oil pressure issue. Thanks so much for hanging out today. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.